Dubai looks like a futuristic paradise, but one wrong move could turn your dream trip into a nightmare. Let me show you what never to do here. You think you know Dubai? Think again. These are the rules nobody tells tourists until it's too late. In Dubai, luxury is everywhere, but so are hidden cultural traps, and breaking them can cost you more than money won. Don't post inappropriate photos in public places. Dubai is incredibly photogenic, but it's also a deeply conservative city. Taking a picture of yourself dancing provocatively in a shopping mall or posing suggestively in front of the Burj Khalifa can get you into serious trouble. Here, privacy and cultural respect are key. Immerse yourself in the atmosphere. Families strolling by, the scent of oud, the sound of the adhan. It's a modern place, yes, but one rooted in traditional values. 2. Never show excessive affection in public. A long hug, a kiss, or even holding hands in very family-oriented areas can be offensive. Dubai wants tourists to feel comfortable, but it also strictly respects local morals. It's like walking between futuristic luxury and tradition in perfect balance. 3. Don't drink alcohol in the street. This surprises many travelers. Alcohol is only legal in licensed establishments, bars, hotels, clubs. Being caught drunk in public can result in a hefty fine. Dubai is a party city, yes, but only where it should be. 4. Never disrespect Ramadan. If you visit during Ramadan, remember, do not eat, drink, or smoke in public during the day. This is one of the most common mistakes among first-time tourists. In return, you'll have an incredible sensory experience. Night markets, warm lights, the aroma of traditional dishes as night falls. 5. Don't wear inappropriate clothing in public places. On private beaches, anything goes. But in shopping malls, markets, and family-friendly streets, dress respectfully. You don't need to cover up completely. Just avoid overly revealing clothing. Dubai is a constant contrast between high fashion and elegant tradition. 6. Don't take photos of people without permission, especially women and local families. In some cases, photographing them without consent can be illegal. Feel the energy of old Dubai, the souk, the smell of spices. Here, privacy is sacred. 7. Don't criticize the government or the royal family. Doesn't matter if you're a tourist. The laws are clear. Any offensive comment can have consequences. Dubai is an extremely safe and prosperous city because of its rules. Respecting them is essential. 8. Don't use foul language in public. A single inappropriate word on the metro, in a taxi, or even when arguing about a fare could get you into trouble. Dubai is pristine, visually clean, and in its conduct. That's its hallmark. 9. Don't eat or drink on the metro. Many tourists receive fines for this. The Dubai metro is so clean, it looks like a spaceship, and eating inside disrupts the aesthetic. And the rules. 10. Don't assume everything is expensive. There are economic secrets. This point isn't dangerous, but it is surprising. If you avoid the ultra-touristy areas, you'll find incredible local restaurants. Shawarma for $1. Hidden cafes fragrant with cardamom. Floating spice markets. Dubai isn't just luxury. It's culture, tradition, and flavor. 11. Don't give unsolicited advice to the police or security personnel. Here, authority is respected without question, and they function so well that it's one of the safest cities in the world. 12. Never try to touch a camel or falcon without permission. In the desert areas, these animals are part of the cultural heritage. Respect them and ask first. They'll tell you fascinating stories of the desert, of ancient caravans, and of how life changed with oil. 13. Don't take taxis in tourist areas without checking the meter. It's not a scam, but some drivers forget to turn it on. Dubai wants transparency. Activate your senses. Look at the futuristic landscape, the highways like mirrors, and the taxi meter. 14. Don't underestimate the extreme heat. In summer, Dubai can exceed 45 degrees Celsius, 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't go for walks at midday, stay hydrated, and protect your skin. The sun in Dubai isn't ordinary. It's a blazing fire. 15. Don't ignore mosque etiquette. The Jumeirah Grand Mosque is a beautiful spiritual place. But remember, take off your shoes, dress modestly, be silent. Here, spirituality is palpable. The scent of incense, the coolness of the marble, the soft echo of prayers. Dubai is a city where the future blends with centuries of tradition. A place where you can go from an ancient souk to the tallest building in the world in minutes. And to enjoy it to the fullest, you only need one thing: respect and cultural awareness. If you liked this ultimate guide, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because your next destination could be exactly the one you've always dreamed of.